This Yakitori-style chicken is a copycat from one of my favorite restaurants in LA that I miss so much. Traditionally, the sauce is made overnight, and it's made with chicken bones that are cooked down that add such a wonderful flavor to that basting liquid. I've created a shortcut here where I add some concentrated chicken stock into the sauce instead of having to do that, and then it's ready in just 15 minutes. After you skewer your chicken, alternating with scallion chunks, season it, and when you grill it, you're going to flip it every 2 to 4 minutes, and you're going to baste it with that delicious sauce that we made every time that you flip it. This recipe absolutely satisfies my craving.